In this episode, we will be making Shahi Tukray. This is a cardamom cream bread pudding, which is so simple to make, but delivers as an amazing dessert. First, we want to crush 5 whole cardamom pods. Here you can see me removing the seeds, but to be honest, this step is unnecessary, as we'll strain our cardamom cream mixture before serving anyway. So feel free to just crush the pods and then set aside. Then you want to dice up 3 tablespoons of unsalted pistachios. Set those aside as well. Now get a saucepan on high heat and add in a 400 milliliter can of coconut cream, and also add in 100 milliliters of almond milk. Give that a stir. It'll be quite thick at first, but after about 5 minutes it'll be nice, light and glossy, just like this. To this add 6 tablespoons of raw sugar and our cardamom. Stir to combine and then set aside. Now we'll need 6 slices of white bread, and we'll be cutting off the crusts. Repeat with all the slices, and then we'll cut each slice into quarters. Once all of our bread is cut, we're ready to give them a fry. Grab a large frying pan and put it on high heat. To this we'll add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. Here I'm using peanut oil. And once it's nice and hot, add in our pieces of bread. Spread it out, and once it's nice and golden, give it a flip. Once both sides are golden brown, you're ready to take it out of the pan. You might not get it all done in one go, so once the first batch are done, just repeat with the second batch as well. Now we're ready to assemble. Grab a baking dish and just line the bottom with our pieces of bread. Try to get it in an even layer. This dish was a bit small, so I had to stack it up over 2 layers. Then we'll evenly soak our bread with our cardamom cream mixture. This is the stage where you would strain out the cardamom pods and the seeds. Once it's evenly soaked, you can cover it with plastic wrap or aluminium foil and place it in the fridge overnight or up to 12 hours. Then, when you're ready to serve, remove from the fridge. Take off our covering and give it an even coating with our pistachios. Make sure you're getting it into the corners and sides as well, as we want every bite to have some pistachio in it. Once it's all evenly spread out, our Shahi Tukray is ready to serve. There seems to be a resistance in the South Asian community towards veganizing our desserts, which is a real shame because our desserts and our food has so much to offer the world. But if we're willing to bend the rules only slightly, we can share our traditions with a broader audience. Tradition lies not in the products that we use, but in the flavors that we preserve. This version of Shahi Tukray has no dairy in it, but the coconut cream is a perfect substitute. It's still perfectly rich, sweet, and I cannot recommend this dessert highly enough. Thank you for watching.